Hello guys, today we're gonna be replacing a bad SSD or a solid state drive on a HP MB360. So what you want to start with is removing the 9 screws that are on the bottom of this computer. Then we want to remove the lid. This is your computer right here. It's a nice and neat, everything in place. So in this one we want to start by disconnecting the battery so we don't have any shorts on it. It's this cable right here. Then when you want to move to this plate over here, that's holding in place the SSD. Remove it. There's one more screw that we have to take out. Please remember to have organization on this one, because if not you can break something. We put back our SSD. In this instance it's gonna be a gaming SSD as per customer's